Right, just a second to show off the rifle crates crate. This one is specifically for the AK-47, which is currently up on eBay. Rifle crates are pretty amazing. They are currently making ones for the AK-12, which I'm really excited about, but just really cool, precision made. They come to you as a kit so you can build them yourself. This particular one is going as a set, padded on the inside so that your weapon of choice fits in perfectly. Extra space, mags, extra slots. You got the stand over here. Really nice setup. Highly encourage you to check them out. Rifle crates.